나무를 보고 있는데 자전거를 탄 한 소년이 우리에게 다가왔다.
Painting. This is art painting. Fort Kochi fishnet. It's famous. Your many friend. Your address. Your going. Yeah. Markala beach. Fishnet. This is art painting. Cheap price.
How much?
He give you no problem. I am happy. You just look, no problem.
Okay.
I am no more money. I am small money. He give you. Fort Kochi. You looking, no problem. You looking, no problem. Free, looking free.
What is your name? I forgot.
Me?
You.
My name? Arsha.
Arsha.
So this is a very bad. Good people. Very.
자석 하나만.
You like this one? Alapi.
We want to go to Alleppey.
Alapi. This is fishnet. Fort Kochi. He give you no problem. Yeah? He give you no problem.
This
Yeah. He give.
keep just.
You give you no problem. Yeah.
Okay.
얼마지지?
You are not postcard?
No, it's okay. I'm okay.
₹60.
Too much. Oh no.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Now see local sites in my friend city to
No, it's okay.
It's okay.
1 hour. Both
It's okay.
50 rupee, 1 hour, both 50 rupee.
I'm okay.
Can I ask something? Where is the cheaper guest house?
Cheap.
Like
Homestay.
Homestay cheap rates. Here Patalam. Patalam road.
Patalam road. How much budget? How much you budget?
Patalam Road, price how much?
Price this
800.
800.
500.
500.
800.
800 is no problem. You are
Electric bill.
Yeah. What road name? What?
name?
Junction is left.
Lefty.
Left.
I am my house Patalam.
Patalam.
Yeah, my house Patalam.
Patalam.
You come in me. I am looking this homestay. Here many homestay here. Small.
Can I follow you?
Yeah, me come in.
Okay. Yeah. We don't have money.
Yeah, this is, very good people. You're better. Your age? You're better.
28, 27.
27. Yeah, you're big.
Yeah.
I am my sister 21. Your first day today?
In Kochi, first day.
First day. Oh, here is 10th place. Here many place here. Church here many famous church.
Famous church.
Church here many place. You my number save. You are looking no problem. I'm here duplicate.
Your hair is very special.
my hair.
Yeah.
This is my mother. No, like this one. My mother. What happened this one?
Me too.
This is name 7. 7. 7.
7?
Yeah, 7.
Hairstyle name 7.
7. 7.
7.
Kochi, India, name 7.
7.
This is no, this one also no good. You name this one?
Song. By her name?
Yeah, your country, which name this one?
I don't know, just long hair.
Oh, my mother problem this one. Here shooting. Movies. Here movies.
Movies?
Yeah, movie.
What mean movie?
This is a film. Shooting.
Film. Cool.
This is a school. Santa Cruz school. Here many school. Lake school. I'm in the lake. Come back here. Bishop House Museum. Bishop House. Bishop House. You driving? No problem. You driving? No problem.
Okay.
No problem. I am no problem.
Yeah, you need to fix this brake.
Yeah. No problem. I'm many country coins I'm collecting.
Sorry?
Many country coins.
Coin.
I'm
You
collecting.
select.
Yeah.
Ah.
Many euros.
Collecting.
You country? No.
My country in
Which money your country? Dollar?
one.
One.
Yeah.
Your I don't know.
I don't have now.
Huh?
Yeah, in guest house,
Guest house how much rent?
1,300.
Here small. I'm no problem. I am coming here. No problem.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm ready. No problem.
Maybe we will stay tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay. I'm many homestay, many place here.
500. No, they
500 here too much. I don't know my friend. I don't. I'm speaking. No problem.
800. No more.
800 okay. This is Patalam. Patalam. This one. This one. I am a Muslim Nams.
Muslim. You Muslim.
Yeah, Muslim. This one. Patalam. Here ghost.
Ghost.
Problem. Ghost. Here many place you are looking, no problem. This is a fish net, many place here. 10 place. Yeah.
So this village name is Patalam, right?
Patalam Junction.
Patalam Junction.
Patalam Junction. Here many homestay. No problem, I am looking.
Thank you.
Karate?
Taekwondo.
Taekwondo. Kung Fu.
Do you want running taekwondo?
Taekwondo? Me? Small.
He can teach
Which?
taekwondo.
Taekwondo.
He's taekwondo master.
Taekwondo?
He's taekwondo master.
Master. Oh, very good. Start para. Taekwondo. I'm like John Cena.
John Cena.
근신.
This is nest homestay. Nest.
아하.
Guest house 1,300. Oh, very
Expensive.
much. Oh. Very small, no problem.
Okay.
Set up.
Namaste.
Homestay already.
റൂമിനാണോ
Yes. Room.
എപ്പോ വരും
Yeah.
Ah.
Come. Sit down.
Very shanty place.
Yeah, sit.
Shanty.
Shanti.
Namaste.
있어?
Australia.
오.
Fine. I'm collecting. Where your help, I am called me, no problem.
Yeah.
Here today you are free. Your first day today. You have many place I'm looking. No problem.
아, 오케이.
10 place. 10 place I'm looking.
Okay.
You call me?
But we
have USIM.
don't have
No SIM card?
card.
Yeah.
Yes.
Then no?
Yeah.
Maybe tomorrow
Oh.
we make.
Tomorrow your SIM card. Today you are okay. I'm coming your shop SIM
Ah.
card.
Ah,
India,
really?
India SIM card. Yeah.
Jio.
Airtel,
Ah.
many SIM. You,
Okay.
you are coming. You are just you are
Yeah,
finish.
yeah, yeah.
You coming SIM looking. No problem.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. I'm your guide. Doubly.
Don't you study?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm a school finish.
Mm.
10 class.
10 class.
몇 살이었지?
Your age
My age?
Yeah.
19.
17.
17.
Oh.
17. Next you 18. Big. I'm a big. I'm going. John Cena. Yeah, John Cena from the USA. John
USA.
Cena coming from USA.
You say.
John Cena.
USA?
USA, you American.
아.
많아?
왜 100으로 돼 있지?
Which you are late? Oh, this camera. This is tree. Manga.
망고?
Mango.
망고. 아, 망고 트리.
Yeah, many mango.
저기
This is this one cutting.
Yeah.
Very good.
brother.
Family.
Yeah.
Cousin brother.
Cousin brother. No? Your brother?
Yeah, brother.
Yeah. Cousin no.
1 year.
ആയിരത്തി 28 വയസ്സ്
Yeah.
Nobody's come to North Korea from here.
What?
Nobody come to North Korea from here.
Yeah, North Korea is
Banned. Nobody outside.
No.
Nobody go to outside.
Possible. Yeah. North Korea people also go to another country. But South Korea not possible. Yeah. North Korea not
South
possible.
Korea is not go to another country.
South Korea another country possible. North Korea also possible. But North Korea very less. South Korea not possible. Yeah.
Very sad.
Yeah.
It's supporting China. One supporting America.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Who say?
28. Are you making a vlog or like a travel video or
Yeah,
something? Oh, okay. Do you have a YouTube channel or something?
Not yet.
No, not yet.
This is my friend Russia.
Because I like to travel and also I have a film camera. Yeah. So I take photos with film camera and yeah. So. But yeah, I'm tired of working, so I saved up some money and now I'm just not working for a little bit. So you know. Yeah. What about you two? Why did you come here?
My father. We should go to India.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow. You're doing that here? You're doing that on this trip? Yeah. Do you have them? Do you have them like now? Oh, okay. Oh, so you're like, okay, yeah. Wow, that's really cool. Yeah, no, that is really cool, yeah. Where in the Himalayas are you doing that? Yeah. Yeah, I make animations.
My job, super job. This one.
Okay.
우리는 코치의 해변에서 바다 수영을 기대했지만 이곳의 바다는 위험하다고 하여 수영을 할 수 없다고 했다. 우리는 아쉬운 대로 근처 수영장으로 향했다.
കുളിക്കുന്നത് എത്ര പ്രാവശ്യം ഒരാൾക്ക് നമ്മ 3 പേര് കമ്മിൻ ഓണർ കമ്മിൻ I don't know, you're 1 hour after, I don't know. Come.
아르셰이드는 수영을 처음 해본다고 했다.
Oh, you're cool, coming. Cool. Very cool. Yeah, very cool. Cool. You like this one? I'm liking this one.
Yeah, good.
Good. So, sit up. You are one more. Shanti. Do you have balance money written? Balance money written? Balance money written? Balance? Yeah, how much you are looking here? 1,000?
아르셰이드는 우리에게 많은 도움을 주었다. 그러나 아르셰이드는 항상 무언가에 쫓기는 듯 했다. 그는 우정어린 마음으로 도움을 주는 것과 대가를 바라는 마음, 그 사이에서 혼란스러워 보였다. 생각해보면 그것은 나도 마찬가지였다.
Korea. Yes.
그렇게 우리들 마음속에는 서로의 마음을 완전히 열지 못하게 하는 무언가가 있었다.
Rendang. Kamal. Korea.
Okay. Show me.
Magic?
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Yeah.
1 minute. 1 minute. You give this one?